Hey guys, as promised yesterday, this video is to share how to make Delta Starch from scratch. We need the pure starch from cassava tubers, that's yuca in Spanish. Peel the cassava tuber following the natural peel. The black marks are the first signs of decay, so cut them all off. Rinse it, chop it up or grate it to help your blender. We will need to sieve the blend, so prepare this rig up with a bowl and a chiffon cloth. Blend the cassava till smooth. Then sieve. Keep rinsing with water till there's no more pure starch left in the blend. You will feel it in your palm when that happens because the blend will not be as slimy as when you started. Wring the chaff till no water is left in it. When done, cover the bowl and set that aside for the particles to settle. I used the one that did not pass through the chiffon cloth to make cassava fufu, apple. Click the link that pops up on the screen right now to watch the video for that. This is what it looks like after about 1 hour. It's still a bit cloudy. I'll leave it to continue to settle. After about 2 hours, the water is clearer. Decant that water to reveal the pure starch settled at the bottom. When you try to scrape it, you will feel it resisting, like there's a gum holding the particles together. This is pure starch, pure unfermented starch from cassava. That should make it laden with cyanide poison, right? In yesterday's video, a good number of people expressed genuine concerns about the cyanide content of unfermented cassava due to the false belief that it is only by fermentation that cyanide can be removed from cassava. I will upload a detailed video tomorrow with examples addressing cyanide poisoning so you can be in a position to make a decision about whether to consume these or not to consume. We don't have to eat everything we see. There are 1001 reasons why people don't eat unfermented starch, or any meal for that matter. I don't eat starch because I am not used to the gelatinous consistency, and I see it as 100% carbs. I don't know if any food contains 100% carbs, but I will not go and tell Deltans that they will die from cyanide poisoning when they eat starch. They've been eating it for years and nobody has presented with symptoms of cyanide poisoning shortly after eating starch. I will leave it there. Details tomorrow. To prepare the starch, put the starch into a pot. I have 3/4 of a cup here. Pour some red palm oil. It's red palm oil that gives starch its classic yellow color. Then pour water and mix till you get a light consistency. Honestly, the quantity of water to use comes with experience. I went with 1 cup of starch to 2 cups of water. So, since I had 3/4 of a cup of starch, I went with 1.5 cups of water. When there are no lumps, get it to a stove and start cooking on medium to high heat while stirring it all the time. If you have a non-stick pot, it is great for this. A stainless steel pot also does a good job once you stir it constantly. When it thickens, stir it even more. After some time, you will see the bright yellow color coming through. You will also notice that it is becoming more stretchy and shiny. Keep stirring till it is golden and shiny all over. Transfer to a plate. And divide it like this. Please, Deltans, what's the tradition behind this division? Someone told me this some time ago, but I've forgotten. Please help your girl out. When it cools down a bit, make lumps and enjoy it with Banga soup or Owho soup. That's it. Bye bye. See you soon.